Ian. I'm checking in with Synergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Synergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Synergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Synergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Synergy.
Synergy.
To all the crew at Synergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Synergy. I think you should give it a shot.